Hello everyone, this is me Pooja Training from Beyond AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here in front of you to give a review on a very inspiring TED Talk that is Three Rules to Spark Learning presented by Ramsey Muzalam. First of all, I would like to give introduction of this personality. Ramsey Muzalam is a science teacher and educator who is very passionate about improving the learning experience for students. In this TED Talk, he shares three important rules that can make learning more engaging and more meaningful. Ramsey Muslim begins this talk by sharing a personal story about his mother's serious health condition. During this difficult time, he learned the importance of asking questions and seeking answers. This experience also inspired his approach somehow towards teaching field. The first rule he discusses in this TED Talk is curiosity comes first, and no doubt it is 100% right and accurate information that everyone has a curiosity and it comes at the earlier stage. He believes that before teaching any lesson, teacher should spark students' curiosity. When students become curious, they naturally want to learn and explore more. And the second rule in this TED Talk he talk about is embrace the mess. He said that learning is not always neat, clean, and perfect. It may have some challenges that may be faced by everyone at the earlier stage. So he said that students should learn best when they are allowed or when they are offered to experiment, make mistake, and also find and discover solution on their own. Mistakes should be seen as opportunity for growth rather than failures. And it is the fact that mistake is a part of our life. After the mistakes, we get success in our life. And I can say that mistakes can learn you more than your perfection or more than your success. The third and the last rule about which in this talk he said is practice reflection. Muslim explained that students should regularly think about what they have learned, what challenges they have faced, and how they can improve it. Reflection helps deepen understanding and encourage continuous learning. In my opinion, the curiosity is the starting point of effective learning, and making mistake is also a natural and valuable and important part of education, or we can say of our success. And thirdly, the point I agree with it is that reflection helps students become better learners. In my opinion, this TED Talk is very much knowledgeable because it shows that learning is more than memorizing information. I especially like the idea that curiosity should come before instruction. When students are interested in a topic, they become more motivated and engaged in their learning. In conclusion, we can say that Ramsey Muslim TED Talk teach us that curiosity, exploration, and the reflection are essential for meaningful learning journey. These three simple rules can help students become more active, more confident, and a successful learner in their life. So, this is all about this talk from my side. I hope you all enjoy this talk and again, much more knowledge from here. So, stay happy, stay positive, and stay connected with me. Till then, Allah Hafiz.